Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will check the Samsung SolarCell Smart Remote. I will share my thoughts about this and all the functions available on this remote, especially about the solar charging feature. We already published a video about pairing and resetting this remote. I'll share that in the description along with the product link. Now let's check the video. This is the black color remote, which is pretty cool overall, very slim, lightweight and compact. They also have one in white color. This is made of good quality plastic or resin, I think. We have the USB Type-C connection at the bottom. At the back side, we have a panel for solar charging. And the front side, we have the usual TV buttons. I'll explain them one by one. I'll start from the bottom itself. Here we have a section for OTT apps. We have Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar. This remote is the Indian version. Maybe if you are from another country, you will get Hulu or other OTT app icons as well. I can access all these buttons, but unfortunately the Disney Plus Hotstar button is not working. I have a feeling it is because the app icon on our TV is still Hotstar and not Disney Plus Hotstar. I don't know. I tried updating the app but no change. I hope Samsung can provide a fix for this. Above this, we have the buttons to change the volume and the channels. We have to move this up and down to change the value like this. We can also press the volume button once to mute or unmute the volume. We can also press the channel button once. It will show a list of available channels, mostly via Samsung TV Plus and their numbers. And this is the return or back button, home button, play pause button. Above this, we have the circular navigation buttons. We can press it up, down, left, right like that. We can also press the center button for selecting something on the screen. Then we have the channels button, microphone button and multi-view button here. Here the multi-view button won't work for us since our Samsung Smart TV doesn't have that feature. Fair enough, I would say. And finally the power on, power off button, and here the small sensor light here. These are the buttons available on the Samsung SolarCell remote control. Now talking about the charging options, we can charge this remote via any USB Type-C charger. Hopefully something that is not very powerful. And we can also use our power bank to charge this. And when we charge this, we get this red color light here. That is one good thing. Another interesting thing is the back side solar charging. We can use the light from both our usual room lights and the sunlight to charge this. We can use both to charge this. We have to place the TV remote down with the solar panel facing up. Keep it in a place where we get default room lighting or near a window which gets natural sunlight. But personally, yes, this is a good additional feature, but I don't think I'm going to rely on this all the time. I would simply rather use a USB Type-C charger whenever I get time. Anyway, this is much better than using AA or AAA batteries. We can also check the battery level of the remote control. We just have to go to settings, general settings, power and energy saving, available remote battery. This option is not available for my TV though, but some time back I used my friend's TV and checked all the features. Should you buy this if the Smart TV remote is not 100% compatible with your Samsung Smart TV? You can check the Samsung link below and see if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible for this. I think it won't be an issue since we will be missing one or two minor features overall, and this remote does everything else without any issue. This is a wonderful Smart TV remote, but if Samsung is going to launch a new model next, I would love to see them use some other material other than plastic or resin. Anything that gives a more premium feel, because the price is like that, unfortunately. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comments section regarding this Samsung SolarCell Smart Remote Control. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.